Right, today we're going to make a Renaissance stained glass window, just like the one here. And quite simply what we're going to do is we're going to get a sheet of green construction paper and we're going to fold it perfectly in half. Where you see the fold, you're going to get a template, and just against the fold lay the template down. So this is your opening edge. You can see a bit like a book. Lay the template down. I'm going to use a marker so that you can see, but we're going to go all the way around our template, so right around the outer edge and also around all these window designs, so that you've got your template traced out ready for you to cut. When you've drawn all your windows in, you're going to mark an X in the center, which is going to point out to you where you cut. So what you should have is a window design like that, and you're going to put an X inside every window design so that you know which one to cut. I have one that I've cut earlier. It should look like that. So all these windows that you drew in with an X, cut out. And how we cut them out is with a hole punch. We actually push a hole punch, and I can help you do this. Put a hole in it, and then you've got space to put the point of your scissors in, and then you can cut it. You can do it for each window until you get to this part. Next stage, I'm going to give you a selection of coloured cellophane paper. You're going to open up your frame and you're going to place some glue. So if I wanted to make these two windows here orange, using this orange cellophane, how I do it, so I take my glue stick and I just go round the edge. This is the easiest way to do it. Round the edge. If you watch how I do it. And I stick my piece of orange across it. Don't set the orange right in the center, because what you do is you actually trim it. And when you trim it, the piece that you've trimmed off can be used for another window. If you watch how I trim it, because you don't want this orange window to actually go across another window, because you're going to use a different color. So you'll have orange, red, green, purple, blue. There's a variety of cellophane colors that we can use. So you trim that nice and neatly back. Okay, and you see that. But when you close it the other way, you can actually see your window. And the reason why we've done a double-sided is that all that gluing and trimming becomes invisible. So with the piece that you've cut off, you can actually use it for the other side. Okay? If I just demonstrate to you how to do the other side quite simply, take the second piece, set it down over the edges, so you're gluing over the edges. And again, see, as this one is actually going over the edge of the other window, we're going to trim it. Just trim it back neatly. And any scraps, put it to the side so that we can save it for another window or another project for the future. So there's the start of a double window in orange, and then we can do greens and reds and blues in another window. If you continue with that, you should end up with a completed window just like